Hello, good evening, and welcome to Tahilah Graphics. Today, we want to learn how to design our YouTube channel. I found out that so many people find it difficult to create their YouTube channel. Sometimes you put your picture and your head will be so big. Sometimes you put your write-up and the write-up will be scattered. All right. Now we are going to learn how to create a perfect YouTube channel on CorelDRAW. All right, let's go. Yeah, we open a new work area. All right. And we are going to create this on 35.556 times 20. The next one is 35.556 times 6. Okay. All right. And the last one will be 22 times 6. All right. This is what the dimensions to use to create your YouTube channel. Okay. So we change the millimeter to inches. Okay, because the dimensions are in inches. All right. So we now come here and put for the width 35.556, and here we put for the height 20. All right. Not on the numbers, but on the work area. All right. 35.556 and 20. All right. So this is what we have. Okay. So we create another rectangle and we input our second dimension, 35.556. We put our height 6. So this is it. Okay. So this is what we have. All right. So we put our color. Okay. Then we create another rectangle for the third one, which is 22 by 6. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. All right. So to make sure you are getting the dimension very well, you we now add something to the overall work area. Okay, we double click the square. We double click it and we add color to it. Okay, so this is what we have. The next thing is to remove the lines. Okay, we remove the line. So this is what we have. All right. and we add a color here too. So this is the dimension of what we are going to do. This is the dimension for your YouTube channel, your YouTube banner. Okay, so this is our YouTube banner. So here is for television, for TV. Okay, here is for TV, here is for PC, PC, okay, and here also is for PC. Well, here is your banner, your channel banner. Okay, this is your channel banner. This is where everything you want to project on your YouTube will be. This is your banner. Okay, so you are going to input things here. All right, all your design will be here. All right, so we remove the TV, we remove the PC, okay, to be able to add things here. All right, we you can use backgrounds, HD backgrounds, okay, for your YouTube. All right, you can go to Google and Google background HD, okay. But if you want to make it a plain color YouTube banner, that's what we are doing. So we want to import our picture. All right, we import our picture, and I'm going to put it in a circle. All right, going to put it in a circle. I power creep into the circle and put it at the center. All right, so I can make another circle that is bigger than that one. Okay, I'll turn it to green. I'll turn it to lemon green. Okay, I'll remove the line. All right, so we change the line here to red. Make it bigger. Okay, we bring it up. So we this design. Okay, we take this up. Okay, I can change it to black. and put the picture. Okay. All right. At the center of it. Okay. So we go back to the first one and we carry this. Okay. We put it here. All right. So we change this to black. We add shadow to this. We change this to green, light green. We need a stronger color for it. All right. Okay. And we change this to black. All right. So we go back again and we carry this one. All right. We put it here. Okay. We change this one to green. Okay. Uh, that is it. So we now change this and this to this color. So this is what we have. This is just a simple YouTube banner. When you place it in your YouTube, it will harmonize. It will be good. Thank you for watching.